In today's lecture, we are going to do Chapter 2 Ordinal Numbers from Maths Primer. So, we just quickly understand the concept of ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are the numbers that signify place of something. For example, first, second, third, and many more others. We will talk about them in these questions. Okay, kids, let's just do these questions. So, first one is written here 10. Mr. Abhinav Gupta lives on dash floor. Means we have to write here 10. No, we'll write here 10th. This is called ordinal numbers, which signify the place of something, that is 10th. Then we'll write here backward counting. Okay, so we'll write here 9. Mr. Agarwal lives on dash floor. Means he lives on 9th floor. Then we will write 8 here. Then Mr. Zubairi lives on dash floor. So we will write here 8th floor. E-I-G-H-T-H. 8th floor. Then we will write here 7. Miss Swati Bansal lives on dash floor. She lives on 7th floor. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. 7th floor. Then we'll write 6 here. Mr. Ashok Khanna lives on dash floor. 6th floor. S-I-X-T-H. 6th floor. So we'll write 5 here. Miss Alka Tomar lives on dash floor. She lives on 5th floor. F-I-F-T-H. 5th floor. Then we'll write 4 here. Miss Kiran lives on F-O-U-R-T-H. 4th floor. Then we'll write 3 here. Mr. Arora lives on dash floor. 3rd floor. T-H-I-R-D. 3rd floor. Then we'll write 2 here. Mr. Anil Sharma lives on dash floor. 2nd floor. S-E-C-O-N-D. 2nd floor. Okay. Then we'll write 1 here. Mr. Chaudhary lives on 1st floor. What we call 1? First. In case of any position, we call 1 as first, 2 as second. Then what is written here? No one lives on the ground floor. Ground floor means 0. We have learned about 0 in the previous classes. So what we call 0 here in case of ordinal number, that is ground. Ground floor. Learn with fun. Tick the 4th and 8th objects. So in this exercise, kids, we need to tick the 4th object and the 8th object. We'll count one by one and tick. So count with me. First, second, third, fourth. This one is the 4th one. So we will tick on this one. Then we are on the fourth one. Then fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Now we have to tick on another one, that is eighth one. So we will tick here also. Then ninth and 10th. Got it? Then match the following. Simple, we have to match the number names with the numbers. First one is 7th. So tell me, where is 7th written? Where is 7th written? This one is the 7th one. So we will match it with 7. Then 4th. Where is 4th written? Is there any 4th? No. Is there any 4th? Yes. So we will match here. Then 9th written here. So we will match on 9th. 9th is there, right? Then there is written 3rd. So we will find where is 3rd. This is 5th. This is 3rd. So we will match with this. Then there is written 2nd. So we will match with 2nd. 2nd is written here? No. Yes. There it is written. Then 10th. Where is 10th? Is this here? No. Is this here? Yes. So we will match with this. Then first. Where is first written? Is this in the first one? Yes. This is the first one. Then 8. So we will match with 8th. So this one. Then 5th. Where is 5th written? In the first one. Then in the 6th one, where is 6th written? There it is. So we will match with this. So kids, in the next question, color the 4th flower pink and 5th flower green. We need to color the flowers with colors. We need to color the 4th one with pink and 5th one with green. So we'll count which one is the 4th one and which one is the 5th one. First, second, third, fourth. This one is the 4th one. So we need to color it with pink color. I'll not color. You can do it yourself. I'll just put a mark here. Okay. So this one is the 4th one. I'll just put a mark here. You can color it yourself. Okay. Then which one is the 5th one? This one is the 4th one. 5th. This one is the 5th one. So we need to color this with green color. Similarly, you can color it yourself. I have just put a green color here. Okay. I hope kids you like this video. Thank you.